Hey guys, so today I want to show off some pieces of recovery gear from Salman. This is a new company to enter the US market. I'm really excited to show you just the products they have to offer. So we'll start out here on top. We have a 2-inch receiver aluminum hitch shackle. This is nice and heavy duty, not too loose, so it's going to make a bunch of sound. And it's aluminum, which means that it's not going to rust and corrode into your hitch receiver, so that you can always get it out. Comes with a pin, and this is just a necessary piece of recovery equipment just to give you another grab point on your vehicle. Next, we have this nice bag right here, and inside, and we have a recovery ring. Now these are really useful when you have a winch, so that you don't have to make a straight line to what you're recovering. You can angle it or even turn it back 180 degrees and winch yourself out of wherever you're stuck. All right, next, we were just talking about winches, and we actually have a couple pieces for winches here. So here we have a really cool piece. So we have an aluminum fair lead. So again, just a good piece to have in addition to a winch. But with that, we also have this. And so what we have here is actually a winch shackle. So your winch rope will go in here. We have a pin that will anchor it in. This really nice aluminum recovery point. And what this actually does is allow you to have a secure hooking point inside that fair lead. And see, there's a ball bearing right here that will release when you press down on here. And what that does, it'll anchor in here. So that's what it'll look like installed. And you just press, pull that out, and then you'll have access to your winch rope. Now, in addition to that kind I just showed you, they make another kind. This kind is in the shape of a skull, so it's really decorative and really cool, but it still has that same function. So your winch rope will go in through here, and you have your recovery point right there. And it attaches in a very similar way. So you have these plastic attachment points right here, and they make them so that they will fit into all different kinds of fair leads. And it will attach into that, where that will sit into there. And instead of a press release, we have a screw that will go in and anchor it in there just like that, to make sure that you have good recovery equipment, but also recovery equipment that fits your style. That's going to last, and that's going to allow you to be confident in your off-roading abilities.